Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. We're kicking off with a hot water heater and some poles and maybe even a fan. There might be a fan in there. We're gonna go up the back. This one's got a lot of sediment in it. Let's roll you here for a second and go take a look and see what we got over here. Nope. It's just part of a fan. Oh, are you kidding me? That KitchenAid stand mixer's in there. It's in a box. I wonder if she's in good shape. Get out of here. Worst case scenario, I think it's, I'm pretty sure we got junks in here from cleaning out the garage over the weekend. You gotta be kidding me, man. That's going into the car. No, it's not. It's gonna go right back here in the back. Right yonder. I hope the thing works. Oh, you guys are plastic. Dang it. Look at all the David seeds. These are good sorting buckets. Need the lids. But I will take the buckets. Can never have too many sorting buckets, right? Oh, these are perfect. Boom. Sort away. Nacho. Oh. Almost. Come on, all the way up there. All right. Hot water heater. And a stand mixer. It's gonna work. Onward. We got some more August Christmas. I'm telling ya, Christmas is a year-round deal down here. Used to be like a December thing, maybe. November, January. Nope, every month. Every month. I don't think there's a month. Last year we didn't get at least a tree. This is kind of fluffy, but we'll still take it. Better than nothing. Got ourselves a stove. Non-traditional stove. This is your countertop stove, but it looks like it's got a broken top to it. Onward. Ourselves a little two for here. Got, oh, that one's broken. Wanted to replenish some of my baskets. I gave a bunch of them to my thrift lady. And so, you just stock back up again. A couple of chairs. And our pool guy left us a motor. Just gotta decide whether we're gonna keep that or try to get the copper out of it. Onward. I don't know if you guys saw that pile down the street a little bit, but it looks delicious. We're turning around the cul-de-sac and we're gonna go back for it. I think it's gonna be a good one. Putting these gloves on, I feel like I'm at the OJ trial. They're just not going on very easy. But by the way, guys, these are fans. We actually have found fans now. We're fans here at Nacho Stuff. So please take a moment and smash, tap, lightly touch, do whatever you want to do to the like button, because that's what we do when we find fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. So we got a couple of goodies over here, at least a goodie over here. There's a glove. Could be the death of me. Come on, bro. Oh. There you go. All right, we're gonna get you guys, and then there's the pile over there. The pile I was referring to. Looks pretty darn good. Got a piece of exercise equipment. Hey, it's sold. Sold. We'll buy these tables for $3.99. Morning. How are you today? This here. Gotta try to keep ourselves organized today. Are you in here too? That's wood. Wood. Oh, there's a skateboard. I just gave her a bunch of skateboards yesterday too. Stay. We'll take another skateboard. Come on. There you go. Oh, there's 2 exercise piece equipment here. 2 of yous. Let go. That fan fell down. Little stinker. You come back up here. Good, how are you today?
Pretty good. I have another piece I would go to right out right now, the hand sink.
Okay. I can always swing back around if I need to. I'll be in the neighborhood for a while. There's another skateboard too. Ooh. Oops, I dropped that lamp. That lamp over. Ooh, good, the bulb didn't break. Phew. That's a cool lamp. Was. I know, PJ, that shade's not small enough for you. You probably still want it, but I don't know that it's gonna survive today. Yeah, we're not taking that guy. Stay. Come on, bro. Thank you. These are $25. Oh, that's fun. Okay. Put the deer in here. You're going up front. Oh, beautiful. That's probably stainless, huh? Brand new? That sounds amazing. Man, it's a far cry from last week, huh? Straighten ourselves up a little bit here. Whoa. We're gonna go up the gate on this one, I think. Oh, you stinker. Ooh. Grab this thing from. This one's gonna move. Another one, wow. Thank you.
It's good.
Yeah, no, it looks nice. Whew. Working hard today. All right, guys. Shunk. Whoops. Onward. Loving Monday again. Monday's so good to us. I don't know, my guy's gonna want that with it being a front loader and being on the older variety. It's a Samsung on top of that. Actually, it looks pretty new. I don't know. Do we spin? We spin. She is a washer, so we're on the heavy side. You stink, dude. You got dirty water in you. Oh gosh. Slippery when wet. Other feet, get up there. There she goes. I have to go to my washing guy now. She went tied. Onward. All right, we're gonna keep stacking it up. I think these might be aluminum too. Maybe not. Oh no, I don't know. They could go either way. It's kind of heavy. I'll steal. Boo hiss. Yeah, just like such. Right. Such. Onward. Man, today's working out well. We're finding some littles to help fill up these little tiny spaces we have versus more bigs that we're like, what do we do with this? This one does not look new, dude. We never tested this. Let's do the stainless. Oh, it is stainless though. So the question is, do we save and try to sell? Or do we just get rid of it? I think we just get rid of it. We'll ask Jeffy what he thinks though. I don't know. Onward! Uh-oh. The street's like, oh, you like small stuff? We're gonna give you some big stuff. Oh gosh, you're kind of heavy too. Oops. Heavy and old. Stuff be falling apart. We're gonna go right there. Oh, I got this monitor too. Look at this, guys. Look at the size of this monitor. Old HP monitor. Looks like a TV set. Crazy. That was a grab and go. How do we want to do this? Like such. Onward. Sure. It might just be a cooler. Dang it. Actually, it's a pretty nice cooler. That's nothing. That's nothing. Do we want to take this cooler or not? Guys at the yard might want this. Let's see if the guys want it. We'll take it and see if they want it. We did get rid of the washing machine to our guy. It didn't have a cord on it, so I wasn't sure whether he wanted to keep it or not. So he is gonna add a cord to it, and he's gonna call me if for some reason it doesn't even start up or whatever. So hopefully it works out. We're gonna roll up here and grab this table real quick too. But I hope it works out. I don't want to give up the space that I just gained. Maybe aluminum? Probably not though. Maybe. It feels like the right kind of material. But the bottom has rust on it. I don't know. She's kind of heavy. Yeah, that's not a good sign. It has a lazy Susan built into it. Holy crap. Why are you trying to roll off? No. Wow, that was almost dangerous. They had glass shattering written all over it. It's gonna have to work. Onward. Not scrap, definitely coming. Look at this, guys. Got ourselves a tiki pole. Yeah, that's fun. Tiki pole. That's so fun. Why would you toss that? With a lost art form. This is a singer. I find so many sewing machines. I just don't know if people will buy them or not. They'd be a pain in the butt to ship, I bet. I'm gonna slide you down here and make a decision with you before we leave. Onward. Coach lights, they look great. But they did put the old ones in the old boxes. No, they kept them. Dang it. Oh, we've made it back to Marjorie's house. She didn't have a pickup today. Oh, there she is. She said, swing by on Monday, I might have some stuff for you. And she does have some stuffs. Look at that, the bowling pins. Morning, Marjorie. Oh my gosh. Look at this old Atari, a 5200.
Yeah, I think it still worked, but it's been years.
Yeah, I bet.
Anyway, there's a couple.
That's old school right there.
Old hand weights. The only thing that I really know to be wrong with that printer is the spring behind the push button.
Okay. Yeah.
But I'm just gonna get a new one.
It's weight.
I got a couple of bowling pins, but I think they're all plastic.
I'll probably take those anyways, just because they're fun.
I see them at the thrift shop occasionally. I was gonna take them and I said, oh, I just don't have the time.
They should be wood. Yeah, they're wood.
Okay, well, you're welcome to it.
Excellent.
Almost everything is plastic.
Yeah. Just about everybody else is in those big honking desks. All right, I think that's it for me, Margie. You have a great day. Good luck with the move. Holler if you need anything out. Oh, I'll take that, yeah. Is it?
They metallized the finish. That's plastic, I'm sure.
No, it's metal. You might be metal too.
Good.
No, it's metal too. Thank you. Bowling pins. What's that? All right, happy moving. Couple bowling pins. Yeah. We'll come over here real quick and grab this little rack thingamabobber. I was thinking about leaving it because it's kind of weird, but we'll take it. We're here, right? Oh, where are we gonna put you? Little laundry guy. I'll hook you over this chair. That chair's getting a strap here in a second. Onward. There's a little more Christmas to top us off here. It's almost time to get going to the yard before they close on us for lunch. Come on, out of there. Come on out. Come on, all the way. There you go. Stand. I gotta start listing these stands. It's almost Christmas time. people have to buy replacements. Onward. Righty. Couple little scraps here. I just talked to Kev. I passed him on the road. He's headed, oh, that's plastic. I thought that was gonna be a pan. Ooh, this is metal. No, it's not, it's wood. He's headed to the yard now. So are we. We actually, we're gonna get a couple more things and then we're gonna get out of here. We got 2 more streets that I wanna run in here and hopefully we can find 1 or 2 more morsels. If not, not a bad day. Onward. I keep forgetting to tell you guys that Atari 5200 that I set on the back of my car, I got it. I didn't forget it back there, guys. I did. Well, I temporarily forgot it back there. And then I went back and got her before she fell off the hitch. Oosh. You stay right up there. Right up here like such. Get on the other side of this. Get on the other side of this. Thank you. All right. Onward. I wasn't gonna come in for this, but it looks kind of nice. Oh, it's not, it's a Huffy. I said, it looks kind of nice. It's in halfway decent shape, but she's a Huffy. A Huffy. Nothing fancy here, guys, just a Huffy. Ooh. Just the Huffy. Onward. Guys, we've made it to the yard. Kev just finished unloading. It's kind of messy in here this morning. Not that they have that much in here, it's just messy. Morning. I want to take a look at these phone things. That's an ice maker. Bet she works too. Not. Oh, that's a... what's it called? That's broken. We're just gonna keep the machine for now. It's got all kind of things. A serger. That's serger. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Look that guy up. Probably worth 10 bucks. Okay. Got all kind of mess going on here. Waiting for this thing to fall on me. There we go. I'm gonna save these for play it again. We didn't check this. Steel. Whew. Oops, sorry guys. Gosh. Right there. Seen a lot of exercise stuff today. Kev had one. Another guy had one. I'm gonna keep Marjorie's broom. That's much better than mine. Almost threw that with the cord on it. That's a crazy monitor, man. What year is this? This has got to be old. 05. It's a hell of a monitor. Oh, I don't even core on that. We're gonna bust the motor off of this. Found that on the last rig. It's pressure washer all the way apart except for the motor. Not a lot of non-fairs today, guys. Get that Huffy off the front before it falls in their van. We might keep that actually. It's kind of nice. We'll put her down here for now. Might get it to the Cuban guy that sells stuff on the side of the road. This is in pretty good shape. Come on. Okay. Woo-wee. Another treadmill on here. Another piece of exercise. Actually had 3 exercise equipments. Crazy. Steel. That was to hold like an IV or something. Ooh, stove's cracked burst down. Let's see what we got here on the bottom. Might have to try to get that before we get out of here. These aren't aluminum, are they? No. Oh. See, that's my ugly little broom. She still works though. Just the one brass. Ooh. right, guys. So she wrote. We're gonna get these fans apart. We'll catch you over at Jeffrey's in a minute. Let's do some NFJ. There he is, he says. There he is. Who gave you that? What? Ugh.
They all voted on it.
Don't lose these, you can use them again. Don't lose these, you can use them again.
They went down by your
Down to the
by your front tire.
Alright.
What's the KitchenAid? Is that a
Yeah, it's a stand mixer.
$100 right there.
It looks nice too. I mean,
It works.
I didn't take it out of the box, but I mean, it looks.
Oh, that still works.
Yeah, I would think so. It's got the bowl, the paddles, all the stuff in there.
What
I mean,
do you do with it?
I don't know. Use it, sell it, one of the two.
We actually use it.
I've got one actually, so I probably won't use it.
I've got a chrome one.
You got a chrome one?
That gets used every week.
I prefer to hand mix unless I'm doing something that really takes a lot of like where you have to like knead something.
I'll give you $25 right now for work.
If it works, no, I'm gonna take it home. Stop. I can't give that away. What do you need another one for, Jeffy? You already got one.
I'd love to have a backup.
Yeah? 30 bucks. Ah! You don't even know if it works, Jeffy. What? You don't even know if it works.
Are you doing this?
Yeah. You don't think I can sell those, do you?
What?
You don't think I can sell those, do you? They look a little crusty rusty. He's like, oh, they're new. They're... Dude, this might be brand new. Although that doesn't look brand new. No, it's been used. It's not new.
It's been used, so they probably got another one and put it in the
Come on, cord. What did we do that for? That's weird. Who does cords like that? Hoo-yah! Uh-oh.
Wah, wah, wah. Heavy ironing.
Yeah. You don't think I can sell them, right?
Try. It'd be good for like a fish can or something, you know?
Yeah, that ain't happening.
Huh?
That ain't happening. I'm gonna keep this. I bet you I can sell these pieces and parts. Jeffy can have the plastic and the thingabobbers. Boo! They had it boxed so nicely and everything.
Deceiving.
Oh, it's there. Sweet. Oh. Heavy?
Yep.
You do motors already, Jeffy? That's heavy?
That's a lot of sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
That's a lot of sunflower seeds.
Those are sorting buckets now. Yeah, baby, biggest battery in Orlando. Biggest battery in Orlando. Yeah? That's a pound or two. Come on, Jeffy. Oh, here's another bullet.
Oh, I gotta forget your battery before I forget the battery.
Yeah, don't forget the battery, Jeff. Just push them in here?
Yeah, that's how I figured it out.
Get in there.
130, you gotta spit on that thing. The hot Tua.
That girl's breaking the internet.
What did the elevator say to its friend?
See you later.
I think I'm coming down with something.
I think I'm coming down with something. How did the Vikings send secret messages during lessons?
Smoke signal?
By Norris code.
Why did Billy have a hot dog in his shoe?
Hot dog in his shoe. To warm them up?
Because it was a foot long.
A foot long. What type of lettuce do they serve on the Titanic?
Iceberg.
Iceberg. There you go, baby.
What gets wet while it dries?
A towel.
There you go.
Yes. How did the alien tie his shoelaces?
Yes, please, bring me
I
another
don't know.
With an astronaut.
With an astronaut.
Alrighty, guys, we're weighed and paid. This road is so dry right now. We had no rain. It hadn't rained for 3 days now, which is a lot for our rainy season for it not to have rained. And this is just kicking up so much dust. That's where all this dust on my dash and stuff comes from, but it's so dusty right now. Watch this guy go. Dust bombs. So we just need a little sprinkling, knock down that dust a little bit. Let's dive into our receipt. I could go back out and run a couple more streets, but I'm gonna earn myself some brownie points. Mama got a new fridge for her office, and I know she'd like it delivered so she can start bringing lunches and having cold drinks and things like that. So I'm gonna earn some brownie points and go deliver that to her today versus running a couple more streets and maybe making 30, 40 bucks. I think the brownie points are well worth more than that. So that's what we're gonna do. But let's do our receipt before we get out of here. 1,300 pounds. Nice. 7 cents a pound for 91 bucks. Electric motors, the couple ceiling fans, and I think, and the one pool pump. 36 pounds, 26 cents a pound for $9.36. Irony light was all of our marginally dirty aluminum. Jeff loaded most of that. I don't know what he took. I forget what was in there. It was 70 pounds though, 33 cents a pound for $23.10. Irony heavy was that stand mixer didn't work. It looked so promising. It looked so clean. I kept the other components to it that I might be able to sell bit piece on eBay, but the mixer we turned in. Cut the cord, irony heavy, and then we also turned in one of the motors. The motor, my washing machine guy, he gave me a motor off of one of the machines that was no good. And so that and the stand mixer, 36 pounds, 25 cents a pound for $9. And then a quarter battery. We did clean out all the batteries from the garage, turned some in it. Both O'Reilly and AutoZone over the weekend, and I got 4 more I'm going to turn in today on my way home. So, but this quarter battery was one for $1.25 for $1.25. Just so you know, if you take full-size batteries, I gave him the quarter, but if you have a motorcycle battery, sometimes they'll take lawnmower ones. It just depends on who you get. It's worth a try. And car batteries and truck batteries for sure. You can take them to O'Reilly, AutoZone, or Discount Auto Parts, and all of them will give you a $10 gift card for each battery you bring in. Every store is going to be different on what they allow. Like AutoZone said that I can bring in 5 a day. My O'Reilly only takes 2 a day. And I don't do Discount Auto Parts because I've already got enough sources. I don't need gift cards every place. So I'm not sure how many they take. So we had a grand total today of $133.71. We'll take that. We'll take that along with our brownie points and call her the day. We did get our one of our baseball teams announced, or at least our practices. Imagine this, guys. Cages and practice same day, right after each other. So my youngest son has practice 1 day a week. How amazing is that? Everything's lining up for the fall, I guess. So we're still waiting to hear back on my second youngest. He hasn't gotten his practice schedule yet, but hopefully he has a nice, awesome schedule like that too, but we'll have to see. Anywho's, I had fun today. That Atari, I'll have to look that up, and when I look it up, I'll put the price of that right here of what that is. I think it's worth something. Even she said she thought it worked. There's no cords and such with it, so I'm not going to be able to test it per se. I don't have all the cords for that anyways, so I'll either take it up to the gaming store or try to eBay it, but this is what eBay is saying it's worth. I hope it's a lot. I don't know. It could be $10 for all I know. Anywho's, smash that thumbs up on the way out if you didn't smash it when we found our fan. And, as always, it's Nacho Stuff. But that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll catch you guys then.